All right, guys, last video of the week. But it's on the same topic, linear regression. It says one more time because we've done it a couple of days, kind of two parts of it. And I'm going to finish it up today, hopefully. And your assignment's going to be a little different, so I need you to really pay attention because your assignment's going to be videoing a problem yourself and sending it back to me. So you got to be able to explain what you're about to see. I'm about to show you one just like what I'm about to expect from you. So pay close attention and good luck. Oh, it's Friday. Can't have a Friday without that. Um, words of wisdom for your weekend. Definitely give you a second to read those, especially read that fifth line down there. Make somebody smile today. You're at home or whatever it is you're doing. You're outside, hopefully. It's beautiful. Find somebody, make them smile. All right, here we go. Sarah's parents are concerned that she seems short for her age. I never had that issue. Their doctors has the following record of her height. Their age is in months. Right here, I didn't say what that was, but the age is in months. The height is in centimeters. So you can tell she is growing, but they're worried about in centimeters. That's not very tall. So 3 parts you got to come up with today. Part A, you got to make a scatter plot of these data and find the regression line. Means the equation of the regression line, not the line, but the equation. Part B, we're going to find the value of R and describe the type of correlation that represents. And part C, we're going to use that equation from A to predict her height at 60 months or when she is 5 years old. Okay, so basically I punched those numbers in my L1, L2 and turn on my stat plot, hit zoom 9, there's my scatter plot. It's a really good one. I mean, it's really close to being linear, so I'm expecting to find a really strong R, and I'm looking next door to the next line. I did a linreg t-test like we've been doing all week long, and sure enough, my R was very high. So part A asked me for, actually didn't ask me for that. Yeah, it asked me for the equation. There's my equation right there. Y equals A plus BX. If you notice, your calculator gives you A and B. So my equation is going to look like this: 71.95 plus 0.38x. Just substitute them right in there. Okay, so there's your regression line. That's what they want, the equation of the regression line. So part A asks for the scatter plot. There it is. And the equation of the regression line. There it is. Part B, I believe, asks you for find R. Oops. Ask you to find R. Part B asks you to find R. I think I just blew up the video. R was 0.99, and it said tell what kind of relationship that means or correlation. That means that was a strong, really strong positive. And that's what I need you to say, whether it's strong positive, weak positive, strong negative, weak negative, no relation whatsoever. It was very close to a line, and the R is really, really high, close to 1. All right. Then the last part said use your equation from part A to make a prediction for 60 months. Remember, our X was the month, so I just plugged 60 in where the X used to be in the equation. I got that answer right there, 94.75. But because that original table, there were no decimals there, I'm going to go ahead and round that one too and say, so in 60 months, I would expect her to be 95 centimeters tall. And that's all you got to do. So watch for your assignment. You're going to make a video of a problem just like this. You'll find it on Google Classroom. It's a Google Doc on Google Classroom. Video yourself working through it and then turn it in back to Google Classroom. And I'll let you know when I get it. And it does count as an assessment this time to make sure that you know what you're doing. So stay well, stay safe. See you sometime.